Hey guys, how's it going? It's Sankar and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool bass sound using Vital. So let's go into the DAW. Let's open up Vital and see what we got. So I have here a play instance of Vital, and what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start loading up here first of all the wavetables. I want to search for this wavetable, which is really cool, harmonic series. I'm going to add 7 voices. A bit whack right now. It's a bit weird. I'm gonna choose one of these two, maybe a harmonic stretch. Would sound really cool. I'm gonna turn down the detune. I'm gonna go into the advanced tab. Turning down the detune didn't do much because what I'm gonna do here is gonna turn down the detune range here. I'm gonna turn down the stereo unity. I'm gonna set this to harmonics. This sounds really cool now. If we add art harmonics, it starts to add harmonics into the bass sound. So I'm gonna turn down this to octaves. And now I'm gonna add some table spreading to this so it sounds even more crazy, more harmonics, more sounds. I'm gonna add some LFO automation to this. So I'm gonna create a nice little LFO, a bit quick. I'm gonna add a second oscillator here. I'm gonna mute this one. I'm gonna add a FM. I'm gonna turn down the phase here so that it always starts in the same phase so that it doesn't have that weird phasing issue that happens with FM if you have a random phase. We can also keep adding voices here just to keep creating more messy sounds. We can also play with like the phases. We can add some filters now. We can add a a parallel filter here, which I want a notch to happen after the high pass. We can also add some white noise here to fill up a bit more the bass. Add some multi-band, some OTT. I want to add a second filter here, and this one I'm going to choose a diode because I really like how it sounds. I'm gonna add some stereo to this by adding a chorus. I'm gonna have it automate with the LFO. It's very subtle, but it's there. Sounds really awesome. Of course, I'm gonna also add some distortion. We can add some tonal delay before the multiband. We can add a second high pass here. I'm gonna add now a sub to this by choosing here a sub. And then I'm gonna set this to direct out. I'm gonna use a different LFO for the sub. We can add even more resonant tones by adding, for example, a flanger here, zero death, and cranking up the feedback. We can move just a teeny bit the center to create some movement here. Or you can keep it static. Again, more mixing here with some LFO movements. And then we can add some dimension by adding some reverb just to give it a bit more tone, a bit more depth, setting it in the mix, filling up the space a bit more. Now for this particular bass, I don't like having this short reverb. I'd rather set it before the multiband. Have it set to be that metallic short sound, and then add some pre-delay. And have it act sort of like a delay, like sort of like a very wet delay. It sounds really cool, really great. And now what we can do is we can set both of these LFOs to freeze. We can take LFO number 3 here and route the phase of the LFO into both of these. And then LFO 3, what it does is it controls the speed of both of these. So if I change the LFO speed of LFO number 3, both LFO 2 and 1 will have the same speed, so I don't have to manually route both of those macros into both of these. You can just set a global LFO for speed and then modulate that. Which is also really cool because then you can create patterns, for example. You can create a pattern, something like that, and then have it change depending on the amount. So if you, like, for example, set it to 50%, it only plays half of the LFO instead of the whole LFO, which is really cool for like sequencing and patterns and stuff. I accidentally pressed the next preset. Anyways, that was a really cool resonant FM sort of bass here you can make in Vital. I'm very sorry that I skipped the preset after I was making it. It was sounding very cool. But those are the things that happen when you're making music. Happy accidents. Sadly, that wasn't happy at all. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. As always, very happy of you guys if you like and subscribe. That means I know that you guys like my content. I'm going to be making more content for you guys. Anyways, see you in the next one.